Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Marburger. I'm going to do a little tutorial to show you how to get onto this site that has a book in it that I want you to use for your next project. So today, the day that you should be listening to this is Tuesday, April 14th. It's your first day back from spring break. So I thought I'd give you a fun assignment, which includes reading, but it also includes art and kind of just being crafty. So hopefully you enjoy it. This project is not due until the end of the week. So that's kind of another reason I figured I would give it to you Tuesday, so you had plenty of days to work on it. So the first thing I want to show you is how to get to the site. So what you're going to do up here in the URL, you're going to just type www.mycapstonelibrary. Whoops, that's not how you spell library. .com. Okay. So once you get that in there, you're going to see this. This is the site, Capstone Interactive. Right here, you're going to see login, the green login button. You're going to click login. And then what you're going to do is you are going to come down where it says username and password. Okay, so the username is going to be continue, and then the password is reading. And then you're going to click go. Okay, so now this is the site. You can, go through this and see what other interesting things you can find, like on your free time or during your 20 minutes of independent reading time. But for the assignment that I want you to do, you're going to be using the 10-minute art projects book. Now for me, it's right here up top. I'm not sure if it's going to be there on your screen when you pop it up. Hopefully it will be. If it's not, you can just come right up here where it says search for books, and you can type in 10-minute art projects and it will pop up. Okay, so when it does pop up, you can click on it. It will show you a summary. It will show you book information, and then more titles in this series. So there's lots of 10-minute books, 10-minute duct tape projects, 10-minute engineering projects. They all sound pretty cool, science projects, but this is the one that we want. So right at the very top, it says play book. You're going to want to click play book. So now you have a choice. What I would prefer is that you read the book yourself. That's what I would prefer, because you're definitely capable of reading all of these words. That's the whole point of doing the reading, is for you to practice reading words and doing new words. But you do have the choice. If you want audio, they will read it to you. But like I said, I would prefer you reading through it on your own. So you would not want audio clicked. You can just click it and the light goes out, and that means it will not read it for you. So then you're going to click on the book. Actually, maybe you read, okay. Maybe you click on read page by page. Okay, so then I think you're familiar with this. To turn the pages, there's a little arrow. And this is the beginning of the book. So it gives you ideas, it gives you a supply list, it gives you tips. So this is the beginning, the introduction of the book, and then it gets into the actual projects. So there's a graphic art masterpiece. It tells you what you need and then the directions how to do it. And they do that for every art project. There's Who Are You? Scope It Out. That's where you're making like a kaleidoscope. Cubit. Unicorn Dust. And all of these projects, you should have most of the materials at home. Try to find one that you do have the materials. For example, this one you need salt, a measuring cup, a Ziploc bag, food coloring, a small bottle that you're going to put it in, and yarn or string. Well, I mean, how much easier does that get, right? So there's definitely some easier ones in here. Kindness rocks, which I think that's an awesome idea. Who doesn't have rocks in their yard? Well, maybe not everybody does, but I've got tons of them. So that would be something Caden and I think are going to do this week. But there's tons of different ideas with leaves. Oh, look, here's a garden. Looks like you need a sock for this one. So your bottle caps, super cool. Your job is to read through, and I want you to try to actually pick 3. Okay, see if you can get 3 of these projects done this week. If you want to get help from your parents or your brothers or sisters, absolutely, they can help you out, but you have to be the one in charge. You have to let them know what to do. Maybe you even want to do like a family craft night and you could do them all together. So be creative about it. Enjoy the job, enjoy the craft. And later on in the week, you are going to have a little assignment that goes along with this. So make sure you get this done because, like I said, I think I'm going to send it Thursday. Thursday, you will get the second part of the assignment, the actual, it's almost like a questionnaire that I'm going to have you do as a follow up. So have fun, do it with your family, and enjoy it. Make something cool. I can't wait to see them. All right. If you have questions, remember my office hours are from 9 to 10 in the morning and then again at 1 o'clock. So about 1 to 2. You can email me anytime and then I'll try to get right back to you. Okay? So have fun.